Hi everyone, we're looking at our trigonometry CSEC past paper questions. This will be our fifth video, and in this particular question we are looking at the sine rule, and all the time before we were looking at these ratios here, right? Using sine, cos, tan, and those ratios. Now these we only use for right angle triangles. Is here a right angle triangle? Right, now looking at my question here, PQR, this is not a right angle triangle, right? You don't see no right angle anywhere. So for these kind of triangles that are not right angle triangles, we use the sine rule and the cosine rule. Now, just to show you quick how to formulate our sine rule and cosine rule here. So let's draw over the triangle ABC from the formula sheet here. So this is A here, and so at point A, this is angle A inside here. At point B, this is angle B inside there, and at point C, that's angle C inside there. So opposite to angle A is little a, right? Little side A. Opposite to angle B is little side B, and the same thing for C. Opposite angle C is little side C, right? Now for the sine rule, we write it like this. We say, just how to have it here, side A over sine A is equal to side B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. So the capital letters is what I denoted here. Those are the angles, right? And at the top we have the lengths or the sides, right? And we use the sine rule for two cases. If we are given two angles and a side, I'm going to find a missing side, or if we have two sides and we are given an angle, we want to find the next angle. So basically it's normally like this. We write it. Normally two alone you would use, two pairs. So let's say we are given side B, we have angle B. Let's say we have angle A, and we want to find side A. This is when we use the sine rule, right? And cosine rule, again, you have to label the diagrams, right? So we have our big angles inside, and then the corresponding lengths next to them. So for cosine rule, the angle that's attached to the cos, right? That's the side that's going to be at the beginning. So A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. And you'll see how it's applied soon, right? So let's look at a question. PQR, triangle PQR above, not joined to scale. QR is 8 cm, PR is 7 cm, and angle PQR is 40 cm, so that's inside here, right? Using this information, sine P can be expressed as, so let's label, sorry. So angle P is up here, right? Big P this is big P. So opposite to be little p, side P. This here, the 40 degrees is angle big Q, and this would be little q, right? So let's formulate our sine rule. So we have little p over sine angle P is equal to little q over sine angle Q. Let's substitute our values now. So our little p is the length 8, and we want to find sine P, right? Our Q, little q, is 7, and sine Q will be sine the given angle we have there, 40, right? Right. So now you need to know your algebra for this, right? In this particular case, we are going to cross multiply, meaning that we're going to say sine P by 7, right? So that's is equal to, and then we're going to say this, right? So then that'll be those two multiply each other. So now we're going to get carry across this multiplication by 7, so remain with sine P, and we will get 8. We can move this multiplication sign, 8 sine 40. Opposite multiplying, opposite multiplying that 7 will be divided that 7. So answer is B, right? Again, pause the video, look back if you need to, and take your time and try and understand it, right? Now, just coming back to this question. This question is actually the only question, or I could be wrong, please correct me if I'm wrong. In the past number of years, CSEC past paper questions, multiple choice questions, that we got a question with the sine rule and the cosine rule. And well, in this case, it was just the sine rule, right? And this was looking from past papers from 1981 coming up to 2020. Again, I could be wrong, I may have left out something, but this is all that was seen, right? So just make a note of that. CXC makes it, well, tries to make it easy for you all, right? Just take your time, learn your work, don't learn off answers. Learn how to do the questions, right? So just keep that in mind, okay?